Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally, Telangana State Council for Higher Education is going to release TSMCet 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results today. So in this video, we will be discussing in detail at what time the Telangana State Council for Higher Education is going to release TSMCet Agriculture and Medical Stream results. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, TSMCet 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results will be released by today at 3 pm by Chairman of Telangana State Council for Higher Education T. Papireddy Sir and Vice Chancellor of JNTU Hyderabad University will be releasing TSMCet 2020 Agriculture and Medical Stream results from JNTU Hyderabad University campus at 3 pm. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt just comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.